Hello everyone, this is Simrit Kathuria and welcome to my show. Here's to women of power, perfection with the Master.
Hi, welcome to the Mastro Show. This show is all about the women from different areas of life, profession, and food preferences. So, our today's guest is an immature cyclist, a marathon champion, an avid yoga learner, and an established designer. And above all, a doting mother of 3 teenagers.
Mrs. Samira Olive.
Thank you, Simrat. Lovely to be here with you.
I'm so glad you are here, Samira.
Thank you for having me.
So, Samira, a cyclist, a marathon champion, I'll say. And so, Samira, what is your diet regime, or your exercise, or a training, and how you would, sum up all this in one word or a one sentence? How you do that?
Very hard to sum up, but I have a beautiful relation with my food regime and food, and I have a love and hate relationship. So, for example, if I'm, on a vacation somewhere, I love to indulge in everything, with the traditional cuisine of the place, with my glass of Chardonnay. And if I have my high, intensity workouts and the kind of things I'm training for, if it's running, cycling, my diet usually changes, and I'm into, if it's running, I try to balance between proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Love to eat my potatoes at night, and which a lot of people think I don't. I love to eat sweet potatoes plus potatoes. When I'm cycling, I love to eat my chocolates, energy bars, dates, and nuts. And so I have a beautiful relationship, and I also feel, one must eat quality and quantity in the right way. One must eat all the various foods available, because our body needs everything. Who better than you? You can guide us on this the best, actually.
Yes. Samira, कोई fat diet करी है, कोई crash diet जब बच्चे हुए, जब weight gain हो गया, होता है सबके साथ, है ना? Because that part of our life is like कि यार हमें खुद को भी नहीं mirror में देखना.
Absolutely. Happens with everything, everyone. I think.
So,
we all have our phases, right?
Yes. So, what was your experience?
I remember when I delivered my twins, I gained around 26 to 27 kilos, and I was really big. My twins, with God's grace, were 2.9, 2.8 each, very big babies. So after that, it was really hard for me to lose my weight, and I had a lot of weight. But yes, I did the right regime. I did exercise for around 40 days, and uske baad came to my beautiful bubbly self. But I was not happy because I've been always a lean girl. So then I did a little bit of crash dieting for 1 or 2 months, but I learned it my way. That was the wrong way. So for 2-3 months I was on that crash diet, but learned it that it's not right to ever do that. Yes.
वो सब समझ जाते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल. I think your life teaches you the best.
Yes. क्योंकि सब लोग वो try जरूर करते हैं कि हम कुछ fast हो जाए, कुछ magic हो जाए जिससे हमारी एकदम weight गायब हो जाए.
बिल्कुल.
But
there's no magic.
There is no.
There's only consistency.
Yes.
Be consistent in your goals or your body, and that's how you move forward.
I
Absolutely.
Samira, एक ना what I face है ना, ये problem आती है मुझे कि अच्छा आपको भी लोग कहते होंगे जब आप कुछ खाना खा रहे होंगे, जब आप when people look at your figure कि आप तो इतने पतले हो, लोग आपसे पूछते होंगे ना आप खाना ही नहीं खाते हो, है ना? So this is very natural, है ना? People have this thing to ask कि क्या आप खाना नहीं खाते हो?
Yes.
But they never understand then what's all going at the back.
Absolutely.
So, as a dietitian, I always have faced this कि जब भी मैं किसी पार्टी पे या किसी सोशल गैदरिंग में जाती हूँ तो people always ask me क्या खाते हो, कैसे खाना चाहिए, क्या मुझे ये खाना चाहिए कि नहीं खाना चाहिए. So they always have a lot of questions. ऐसा कौन सा एक question है जो आप मुझसे पूछना चाहोगे कि सिमरत ये करना चाहिए या ऐसा ठीक है या नहीं ठीक है, or whatever.
Yeah, I think I would like to ask you, how do you balance it all? If you want to go out on weekends and also weekdays, you want to give yourself the best nutrients, and also on the weekends we all love to party and we want to go out, we want to have our glass of wine or something. So how do you balance it, and what is the right perfect diet? I think that only a dietitian can tell us.
So Samira, it's very simple, First, one mistake what the people do is that they starve themselves the whole day. है ना, जब उनको पता होता है ना कि आज रात को पार्टी करनी है या आज रात को बाहर खाना है, then they don't eat at all.
Which is wrong, right?
Which is really wrong. क्योंकि जब आप रात को खाना देखोगे, obviously you will
want to just hog.
Yes. So that's our biggest mistake people do. Secondly, if you have to eat out, then eat a balanced meal और समझो कि दोबारा खाना मिलेगा बाहर का. Very simple. The next weekend you will get again, so you don't overeat.
Yes. True.
And especially when you talked about it, when you have a good relationship with your food,
Yes.
then you never ever do that.
Yes. And I think everyone's body is so different. Once you start understanding your own body type,
Exactly.
what it requires at the right time, it's very easy.
So, Samira, like every person has their own comfort food, and same every person has their own comfort style also. As what is your comfort style? Like if it is a formal, I've seen you in your marathons, that
Yes.
casuals, that everything. And what about that comfort style when you are in a formals?
So for me, Simrat, comfort food and comfort styling is the best actually, I feel when you're wearing your own kind of comfort clothing and you have this magical cloak of confidence on the top and with just a little bit of kindness and a little magical spark in you, you can do wonders, you can be wearing your own sweatpants and or a cotton anarkali and looking the star of the show, so one needs to be very very comfortable with your own body, also with the food. There's so many times I crave for potatoes. I love potatoes, and also for this junk I never stop myself. I have my indulgent moments and I love to eat potatoes, popcorns, my chocolates. So I think comfort food is very important. One must understand your own body. Our body is like a temple to where we all
Exactly.
stay in. So why not? One life, live it to the best, eat the best, and also yes, now and then work constantly on your bodies.
So I think बहुत सारी serious बातें हो गई, तो let's do some rapid fire round, which
Sure.
we call it fast and furious. Tell me the right answers and the good ones, then I'll give you one hamper for that,
Oh,
like
beautiful.
coffee with current
I'm
kinds.
looking forward.
So now, first question: dish that can change your mood.
Fish, salmon, potatoes.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, so first dish you cooked all by yourself.
Oh, I cooked a very nice chicken coconut curry, and it turned out extremely amazing. And I'm so proud of it actually, because I'm not a good cook at all.
मैं
Yes.
वही पूछने वाली थी. Do you cook or you don't?
No, I don't like to cook at all.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
yes.
So one dish that is overhyped.
Um, chocolate brownie is overhyped, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, I hate chocolates at times.
Okay. As I know you told us that you don't cook, but one celebrity you want to cook for.
One celebrity. I think for me, my celebrity is my family. If I cook well for them, they'll be so overwhelmed for myself. That'll be my biggest high, actually. Yeah. I also cooked Thai fish once, and they loved it. So that's
Oh
my
God,
high.
I like this answer.
Yes.
Okay, well, your staple food.
My staple food is very basic. Also, it keeps changing with my regimes. On a vacation, I have my different staple food. When I'm working out for my workouts, it is different. So I have these moods and moments.
Oh,
So,
great. So again, we have one more round. This is this or that.
okay.
आपको ये करना है कि वो चाहिए.
Yes.
Street food or fancy cuisine?
That.
Fancy one.
Yes.
Okay. So second is buffet or sit down dinner?
Sit down dinner.
Okay.
At.
बुफे में ज़्यादा खाया जाता है.
Yes, and also I love sit down. Take my meals. I like to enjoy my food.
I
Each
know.
bite, how it goes. Yes.
I know. Okay, so midday munching or midnight munching?
That midnight munching.
Appetizers or dessert?
Appetizers.
Okay.
Any day. This.
You're not. You don't have a sweet tooth.
No, not at all.
Okay, so Samira the foodie or Samira the traveler?
The foodie.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Yes. A lot of people think that I don't eat with
Yeah.
my structure and everything, but I love to eat my food. That's the reason I can also do these high intensity
I-
cycling and running. So how do you not eat and
yes,
go back
exactly,
there?
exactly.
Yes.
That's like as you told in the first question only, because if your relationship with the food is good, na, I think your body never gain fat.
Absolutely. Yes.
When you have that kind of a hatred kind of a relationship ना, आप जब खाने को देख के कहते हो ओ यार ये मोटा कर देगा, ये नहीं खाना, then
I
there
think
is
in
a
the
problem.
right quantity is very important.
Yes.
Learned it myself as well.
Yes,
recently,
exactly.
yes.
So
Yes.
you won the hamper.
Thank you so much.
So there's a surprise also.
Thank you.
And this is a
Oh, lovely.
surprise for
Thank
you.
you so much, Simrat. Lovely. Thank you so much.
So I hope you liked it.
Absolutely beautiful. Ah, lovely. I'm sure you've put in all the healthy
Healthy stuff.
things in it. Thank you. I shall really appreciate and munch on this soon.
Yes.
Yes.
So Samira, one last question. So हम as a women entrepreneur and as a woman also हमारे बहुत सारे ups and downs होते हैं, बहुत सारी success stories होती हैं, बहुत सारे failures भी होते हैं, and we understand that, है ना, and बहुत सारे challenges होते हैं, how to balance the life. So which one story you want to share with us?
I think my life or your life, everyone's life is very different, and we're built of the challenges and the failures we have come across. We all have had our low moments and our up moments, and I've also built myself through those. And I feel keep going on. In a society when you're working, especially over here, you're demeaned by a lot of people around us. Being a working woman, people are always asking questions. So I think ignore. Focus on our goals, whatever we have, and ignore the people what they're saying, and keep going on. Work hard consistently, and that's how I think there's always a challenge when you come out of your comfort zone. But we must also know that the magic lies just there. So go out of your comfort zone, explore yourself, give it your best shot. You never know what's going to be happening next.
So yes, Samira, that's a best lesson every woman should have. We all have ups and downs. We all have, the society eye on us. So everything is there. But how we are coming up, that matters.
Yes, I think one must leave with satisfaction by the end of day.
Exactly.
So do good karma. It's quite easy, though we all. I think I'm sure you must be going through, your own low moments. But yes, we all need to come out of it.
Yeah, that's a part of life.
Yes.
I think if there won't be any, low moments, then how you will recognize the good moments?
Absolutely true.
So thank you so much, Samira,
Thank
for
you,
coming
Simran.
here and talking to our audience and sharing so many things with us.
Thank you, Simrit, for having me. Pleasure to be here.